All right, everybody, this is Terry leading the ride to the Erie Bluffs State Park. We just finished at Sammy K Steakhouse. I've got the group here. See, I'll spin around here a little bit. And what was originally 5 people, we've got, 12 now. So we're going to head off and going to fly my drone. I'll talk to you guys later. All right, leading the group here. Just left the restaurant. We're only about 7 minutes away from the Lake Erie Bluffs where I will fly the Mavic drone. I wish the sun would come out a little more, but maybe by the time I set up, it will. So I'm going to shut this off. I'll turn it back on if I see anything interesting. All right, we are in the Lake Erie Bluffs area. I am going to the bluffs to the west. There's 2 parking lots. I'm going to the one to the west that has the pavilion and a nice little area to launch the Mavic drone. So I'll keep this running for a little bit. Here we are. I don't know if you can see in the distance, there's Lake Erie. All right, I'll get them coming in.
I thought you were Vern coming up next to me wanting to hold hands. Yeah, buddy.
Everybody coming in on the bikes. All right, I'll turn this off for now. I'll see you guys later.
Altitude.
Yeah. Ground control. All systems are go.
Recording started.
Everybody wave.
This is ground control.
Yeah, it's going to wave back. Everybody wave. It's a video.
Blink is light.
All right, here we go.
Dragonfly.
It's gonna attack us!
It's gone. It's going. It's going. I see it.
How many feet it'll go?
I see it.
Cool.
I'm losing it.
He flies it all around his
That
neighbors.
can't see. How far can that thing see?
Yes, I'm sure he
I
does.
can go 4 miles.
Well, you could see Perry probably. You could probably see
No, that was
Fairport.
me. I'm sorry.
The boat parade. I think they started at 11 or 12.
Down at Fairport?
Yeah, that's why we were going to go there for lunch, but I went down there in the restaurant.
Where'd it go?
Why isn't it focusing on us?
If you can land it on that pad, I will buy you a large.
I will. No.
You get
I'm gonna. What will you get me if I can land on that
a
pad?
large beer of your choice.
Okay.
Do is hit a button, it'll come back to
Yes.
that.
Yes. Don't tell them that.
It's called like home.
It's taped and all that out there, huh?
Why am I only going?
249 feet altitude.
What's that boat that's out there?
Is that a bird?
Oh yeah, I see it.
Is it a plane?
How high is that now, Terry?
500, 600 feet.
And how far away is it from us? Half mile?
When it's a 200, it's distance is 700 feet. Its altitude is, I'm gonna take her up. It's 250 feet.
That dragonfly wants to mate with it.
Right off more than it can chew.
Altitude 350 feet. Distance 800 feet. Speed 8 miles an hour. Let's go.
What's
We're
your
waiting for the
barometer
sun.
pressure?
We're waiting for the sun to set.
Barometric pressure is 29 point.
Interesting, huh?
Is there a co-pilot?
Yeah.
I can't even
Hey,
see
let's
it
strap
anymore.
a chipmunk in there.
There you go.
Altitude 650 feet. Distance 1,100 feet.
See it, Paul, still?
No, I lost it.
Okay, I did too. Too much blue up there.
I'm gonna go and put the gimbal down.
824 feet altitude.
Okay. For some reason, it's not doing what I want it to do.
That's not a good sign.
Okay. I've got us now.
We are.
Folks, we are at 1,000 feet. This height.
We are the plane is.
We're coming up on 2,000 feet distance.
See if you can hit that seagull.
Land on the boat out there.
I'll give anybody $100 I can see it.
I see
I'll give you
right
$100 if you
$100.
can hit that seagull.
I see
Look,
it too.
look. Here's what it looks like.
That's 200.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, you put
Oh,
that
man,
in.
that is cool.
Let me see.
Too bad you don't have a hood over it or something.
Well, no, this. Yeah, I know.
That is cool.
Okay, we're at 1,400 feet. Don't tell the FAA, but I'm about 4 times the height I'm supposed to be.
You could tape this, right?
I'm taping it now.
Oh, yeah. So it hears me talking like an idiot?
The old selfie stick.
Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and we're going to rotate it a little bit.
Because of the
That
plug
thing's
in.
taping
New
us,
phones
don't
don't
say anything
have,
stupid.
I already did.
anything to
I did too. I did too.
He's gonna take.
Which is interesting.
I'm getting the perinuclear.
1,597 feet altitude.
Yeah, I'm seeing the power plant here.
And we have to drink
I'm going to
cool
go ahead and
after
rotate it over. I'm looking toward the west now.
this. Is this
I
a
forgot
cold?
which way the power plant was.
To the no, that way,
That way.
east
I'm
of
not-
us.
My parole officers know I'm out of the county.
What's that? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it looks
All
like
right,
a cold.
folks, where are we at here?
That looks just like a cold.
We are right there in the screen. I'm going to bring the gimbal down a little bit.
See it, Paul?
We're going to go up in altitude a little more.
Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see what it
Jim
sees.
Jones.
I mean, I'm just looking at the exact same. I was gonna pull
Is
it.
it straight out?
We're at 1,600 feet, and I think it's maxing out on altitude. We're 2,600 feet away.
Is it straight out?
It's that way, to our
Hey, Ed,
left.
does your camera do the same thing?
Yeah, if he throws it, just practice.
All right, there's Perry. Swing us
I
around.
get
Look.
color on this.
What's
Oh,
that?
You got upgraded.
Oh, yeah.
1,640 feet altitude.
Okay.
The Goodwill. That is.
Apparently, it's not letting me go beyond 1,600 feet.
What if it don't come back?
I think an F-14 is prepared to shoot it down.
From Cleveland Hopkins.
All right, folks. We're gonna bring it home, and all I have to do is hit one button.
That hits that pad. I will buy you a
land or
large
It will.
Bud
Like
Light.
an auto
It's coming to land. Yep.
You got a memory like delivering a pizza?
Yeah. Well, that's what the H is. It remembered where it took off, and that H, I'll show it.
Back?
It'll bring it back and land right there. I'm not. If you notice, I'm not even touching the control.
Wow.
What if you run off with
Okay,
He's had several of these. This is your.
Oh, this is about 10. I've had about 10 drills.
You get it inside the white lines, it'll be a Budweiser instead of Bud Light.
Okay, we'll see.
It's going to hit a bullseye.
I can't even find my own way home in my own car.
Now, as it comes down, I want everybody to wave because I'm gonna point the camera straight down.
He'll put this on Facebook.
Here, if you guys want to look. Whoops, excuse me.
Does it go by? Does it?
It's actually flying to us at that altitude.
1,640 feet altitude.
Okay.
Can you hear that?
Way over there.
No, over there.
He did around the
See?
whole lake.
It's coming right over us.
The whole
Yeah, it now speaks Canadian.
I'm gonna bring the gimbal down. And we're right there. See, we're right there. There's the pavilion.
Yeah, I see the orange
It's
pad.
neat, but
They're all waving. They go.
watch, go see his video later once he gets home. He'll edit stuff, and it'll remind you, like, you know, weeks from now, or when it's snowing out this winter.
Interesting.
You go look at it, you'll remember this
I
day.
tell you what, technology sometimes can be scary.
No, it's right over us.
Yeah, he does a very nice job at it.
Now watch it turn. It'll turn and face us. It's just gonna probably turn a little bit. See it?
Yep.
Now it's coming straight down. It's coming straight down now.
Uh-oh. It's gonna blow.
It's at 1,500 feet.
I see two birds up
Those
there.
are eagles. Those are eagles.
No,
Eagles don't flap their
no,
wings
those
like
are
that.
some kind of goose.
How long does the battery last?
Okay,
Those are
15.
24 minutes. Those aren't eagles. They're too small.
If the battery's getting weak, it'll just start coming back. To
Yes. Yeah. In other words, it's foolproof. But I didn't fly it far enough. Okay, she's at 13.
1,342 feet
I
altitude.
can hear it telling me what it's.
and you're using your cell phone, right?
Is the screen. Here, if anyone is interested, that's. No, watch. It'll land. It should land pretty close, if not on the pad, without me touching it.
Oh, now it's close. Now it's close.
Pretty close.
No, it'll. Okay. Let's see. Vern owes me a beer. Where is he? You owe me a beer if it touches the pad. If it's within the white, no, that's a Heineken if it's in the white. Forget the Budweiser. It's a Heineken if it's in the white.
And if it don't hit the pad, you owe me one. Deal?
Hey, you know the funny part with this video? I'm going to put our voices in here because I'm doing a screen record, which is recording our voices. And so, but I'll put that video with our voices, and it makes it pretty cool. So if you have a spouse, don't call them an SOB, or I'm going to divorce the SOB. Don't say that right now because it's recorded.
What if you have a spouse and you're out there with your girlfriend?
Yeah, that's true. If you're out here with your girlfriend, you might want to leave. Yeah, leave now or shut up. Don't say
I was
it.
going to go crash the wedding with a Mr. Microphone.
592 feet altitude.
I was going to go crash the wedding. Right here, both my wives.
We're down to 500 feet, folks.
Remember, if it don't hit the pad, you owe me one.
Isn't that wedding graduated is 2.5?
Oh, okay. Because Marlene's number 2.
Yeah, Marlene's number 2. Elizabeth's number 3.
Double or nothing.
Okay, so I'm 4.
I never thought I'd have this as much excitement on a drone, but it is pretty cool.
It is cool. It's interesting.
Okay, what happens if you run out of juice and things way up in the air? What happens then?
It's smart enough to know it'll make it down.
See, I only got enough juice.
There it is. Oh, wait a minute. What did I cancel off the?
Yeah, there it is. Don't look like it's going to hit the pad. Somebody up here.
Yeah. If it don't, he owes me.
Look, I'll put myself right here. I'll put myself right here. That's how much I trust it. I've had about three years.
Twenty-three feet altitude.
If it's a green, you owe me. No.
I'm not touching the controls. Here, I'm going to cheat a little bit.
Recording stopped. Started. Seven feet altitude.
Carrie, $20 if you take it over to the wedding. Crash the wedding with it. They're putting up a garland.
Hey, ladies, watch out for the drone up in the top of your head. Watch
Watch them land in the wedding cake.
And after this, the regulator goes out.
You really want to spend some money. Let's try about
Take it off the yard.
trying to redeem themselves.
Oh, I might have hit it. I hit it. See if it'll drop it, so. I hit
1 foot altitude.
It's double or nothing on this one?
Oh.
That's the green.